So, guys, I've literally got 11 minutes to try and put together a video. Fingers crossed I can do it. I just wanted to take a few moments to wish you all a very happy new year. I am sincerely hoping from the bottom of my heart that you all have a happy and safe new year, a happy and safe 2022. I know that 2021 and 2020, basically the last 2 years, has been an absolute cluster. But let's just hope that 2022 goes better than that. Let's just hope that we can all manage to get on with our lives. And look, if we've got to live with COVID in the community, then okay, we've got to live with COVID in the community. But you know what? I'm ready to just move on with my life. I'm sick of having everything on pause. So 2022 has got some absolutely huge things happening on Simon's Global Walkabout channel. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like videos, that sort of thing. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you'd like to see on the channel in 2022. And maybe, just maybe, it'll happen, because huge things are coming. So stay tuned and wait for that. And for a few moments, you can just enjoy my little fireworks display. Let's see if I can get this up in the next 9.5 minutes. Happy New Year, folks. Let's hope 2022 is a lot better.